All right, as y'all see here, the problem of the day, man, my blinker, tail light, that went out. So we're gonna do the repair and the installation on that. I got the new bulbs. Picked them up off of, got them at O'Reilly's. So these are the bulbs we're gonna use. Flathead screwdriver. We're gonna poke these out, and poke this out back here. Put them in the trunk so you won't lose them shits. All right, this whole piece gonna come off. We're gonna have access to the bulb, which is gonna be on the bottom right. All right, but we're gonna place both of them today. Okay. Excuse me. It came with both of them, so we're gonna place 2 new ones so both of them just run at the same speeds. Take the top piece off first, and then the bottom piece is gonna come out. Okay, so it sits in there like this. Boom. And then this piece is inside here. You pop this piece out first, and then this piece comes out, okay? So, this is one bulb here. And then this is the other bulb back there, okay? So one bulb, another bulb. All right. So twisting down, and pull this out just like this, okay? All right, so these are just gonna snap in, so you're gonna pull it out, boom. All right. I'm gonna do the same thing to the one in the back. Got my gloves on. Boom, this one I pulled up on it. Get out of there. Boom. How you doing? All right, so to get that bottom one in, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna come in from the top. So same way you pull it out like this, you wanna come in at that same angle to lock it right back down, okay? I'm gonna put the top on the left. You came in at the bottom, so that's how you're gonna line it right back up. All right, boom, at the bottom, it's gonna go in, pull it right back up, boom, just like that. Boom, easy fix. And then of course you want to put everything back how you took it off. And that ends the video, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for a little more. This is a short little video, just a short little what's it called? A little how-to. A short how-to. All right. Y'all be great.